Good evening mga guys. Welcome to my vlog. So, ang oras natin ay alas 6:30 ng gabi. At ngayon po ay araw ng Miyerkules, November 19, 2025. So, panibagong vlog tayo. So, tayo ngayon ay magluto. Loloto. Luto serye tayo ngayon guys. Okay, kasi ang ating chef ay pahinga muna. So, ayan na mainit na po yung ating mantika. Next, we will put the bawang. Okay. The bawang is already here. Waiting for the oil to boil. Waiting for the oil to be hot. Giyatay. Ayan na. Ayan na mga guys. Tumitalimsik na. Tumitilamsik na guys. So magsusutay tayo ng bawang. Pasensya na kayo talaga. Kapag Tagalog talaga, ako ay malimari talaga Tagalog ko. Okay. So, ayan. Medyo na parami yata ang aking mantika. Shout out Sir Jan! Shout out Sir Jan! Sir Juan Carlos, thank you so much. Shout out also to Ma'am Sadi. Ma'am Sadi, I miss you Ma'am. Love you. To Ma'am Paula, Kuya Tomas, thank you. Shout out also to Ma'am Ibe. Thank you Ma'am Ibe, Dagi Boy, Sis Tichay, Ma'am Jeng, Idol Matansero, Sir Unswa, Sir Hugot, Monilis Cusin. Thank you Bunso. Manay Bicol, shout out. Oh, yun my friend, shout it to you. Thanks for always supporting my live. And sometimes my premiere. Not sometimes, by the way. Thank you, oh, yun my friend. And also, shout out to my first super chatter in my second channel, Sexy channel, Sir Shikels. Thank you so much, Sir Shikels. So, ayun po. Nalagay na natin ang sibuyas. Namit good. Amoy pa lang, guys. Ang bango na. Okay. Okay. So, lakasan na natin konti. Then, I have here pinch. No, not a pinch. I have here like this. Papaya with ginger. At, ayan na guys. Yellow na siya. Yellowish na. So, we will put the meat. This is the chicken. So that is our ulam for today's video. I already sprinkle salt. Okay. And we will put this one also. Siling, then the ginger to remove the lansa. Okay. It will add spicy flavor to the chicken. Okay. So, ako lang yun. Basta lang yan guys ha. Pasensya na. Hindi talaga ako marunong magluto. So, this one is pachamba. Okay. Only may pachamba. I know I am not good in cooking. I am good only in eating. Okay. Ayan. So, let it simmer for maybe 3 minutes. But we'll cover it, guys. I will cover with number 1. So our cover is a little bit dirty. So there is something. There is something in the world. You look at me. By the way, this cover is from my Steam. Ayan, we'll cover. Continuation of my vlog, and this time we will put the papaya. Okay? The papaya, kapadza sa Bisaya. We will mix it. Okay? Then this time we will put the papaya. And we'll put a little salt to taste a little salty, so that it will taste good, and a little bit of magic seasoning, a little only, okay? Only a little. Then we will halo-halo icing. Ma-English Carabao tayo, guys. Halo icing, we will mix this one, okay, so that the soap will be absorbed by the papaya and the chicken. Okay, then no need to wait until 3 minutes, guys, because I am thrifty when it comes to our gas. When it comes to our kalan. So we will put the water. Okay? Water for sabaw, pampagatas. Okay, isa't kalahating tasa ng tubig para maraming gatas. Maraming gatas si Prexy kahit walang lumalabas sa kanyang tiyan. Ayan. Put a little salt. And let it simmer for around 3 to 5 minutes. Okay? Takasan natin ng konti ang kanyang apoy. And then, we will cover again. Cover again and again and again. O, diba? Oh, nandaywa ko. Parang isang balding sabaw yan, guys. So, this is my finished product, guys. Clean the lens. Okay? Finished product of my cooking today. Sa akin niluluto ngayong gabi. Okay. Pasensyahan nyo na. Medyo madaming sabaw. So, pang isang linggo po ang yung sabaw ko, guys. Okay, so until here, kamsahamnida, sana panoorin nyo ang aking vlog mula umpisa hanggang dulo. At i-upload ko po ito sa Frexy channel. Please don't skip ads, and please don't forget to like and subscribe so that my revenue will goes up. So until here, bye-bye mga guys! Namaste, kamsahamnida, daghang salamat, maraming salamat sa inyo lahat. Bye for now. See you later.